Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Can't scan your Cash App card's QR code? No problem. Today I will show you how to activate your Cash App card without using a QR code. Step by step. Open your Cash App, then tap your profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. Scroll down to the support section and use the search bar to type activate card. If you are asked to scan a QR code, look for the option to activate without QR code and select it. This lets you proceed without the QR code scan. Now enter your card details carefully. This includes the CVV, expiration date, and any other required information. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish activating your card. It usually takes just a few moments. If manual activation doesn't work, go back to support, search for activate again, and open the first article. Here you will find an option to chat or contact support directly. Reach out to the support team to get help activating your card manually. They will guide you through it. Once activated, your Cash App card is ready to use for purchases and ATM withdrawals. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Cash App tips. Thank you for watching.